Next meme.
Yeah. Oh Jesus.
Like, I have to just do something there quick. You all right, Josh?
All right, James. This is weird. Halfway through an episode.
Is it?
I mean,
Yeah.
oh, he's recorded something.
Make it big. How do I make it big? There you go. You ready?
I am.
Fridge.
Did you say fridge at the end? There wasn't a fact there, but okay.
No. In the last episode, you asked me to do a theme for it, so I did a theme.
You just said fridge at the end.
Yeah.
Okay, James. What's your fact today, my man?
Did you know?
Probably not.
I'm still. Did you know that 10% off the electricity you use? Did you know that 10% of the electricity you use is used on your fridge?
Wasn't that the same fact as last week?
Next meme.
You fool.